Hello students. So today we are going to learn how can we find the unknown matrix. They also give us like we have to find the unknown M matrix or unknown X matrix. Let's check like how can we find it, right? Suppose they have given you a matrix A which is like 1, -1, 2, 3. Okay, I've taken any random numbers and they have given B matrix as 2, 4. Now in this I have to find, they have given me an equation like A x is equal to b. Here we have to find, like what we have to find? First, we have to find the order of x. Whenever there is a capital letter given to anything, it becomes a matrix. It is not a variable. So this x is my matrix. So I have to find the order of x matrix and also finding matrix x. So these two things we have to find. Now how can we find the order of x? Like what can be the order? It is 1 by 1, is it 2 by 2, is it 2 by 1, is it 1 by 2? What can be the order? Now how to find that? If you see now, my order of B matrix, is 2 by 1. It has 2 rows and it has only 1 column. Whatever order you have of B matrix, which is of other side of the equal to sign, whatever is the order of this B matrix, X matrix which is unknown will be having the same order. It has to be of the same order. Okay, and we are going to get it. So my order. So my first answer, order of X matrix is 2 by 1. As you write down this answer, you get 1 mark. Now next 2 marks you will get when you can find the x which is your unknown matrix, right? Now here I'll write let x is equal to, as it is 2 by 1 order, so I'll take I can take any numbers. I'll take as A and B. So if you see properly, it is having 2 rows and it has only 1 column, right? So now I have to find this x matrix. I have to find this A and B ka value. So here what I'll do A into x is equal to b. So my A matrix is 1, -1, 2, 3, 2 and 3, and my X matrix is A and B is equal to, your B matrix is 2 by 4. I have to solve this now, right? Now as we have learned in previous video that how can we multiply the two matrices. Here we have to multiply 2 matrix. So I'll be a bit fast, right? Here I have to I'll be multiplying this row into this column. So it becomes 1 into A is A minus B. Okay. Then this row gets multiplied to this column and I have to come down. So it becomes 2A plus 3B is equal to 2 by 4. Now when I multiply this 2 matrix, I am going to get the 2 equations. So what are my equations? My equation is A minus B is equal to 2, because I am equating 2 matrix. So this thing will be equal to this and this down part will be equal to 4. I have to solve this equation simultaneously. So what I'll do, I'll make this B term same. For making this B term same, I'll multiply this whole equation by 3 and I'll multiply this whole equation by 1. So my equations are now 3A minus 3B is equal to 6, and this will be 2A plus 3B is equal to 4, because I multiplied 1 to every term. Here I multiplied 3 to every term. So if I solve this, as my signs are different, I don't have to change the sign of any terms. So this and this gets cancelled. So 3 plus 2 becomes 5A and 6 plus 4 becomes 10. So my A is equal to 2. As I get the value of A, I'll put the value of A in this equation and I'll get the value of B. So here it will be, okay, putting in this equation. So it becomes 2 minus B is equal to 2. So therefore my B will be 0. Okay, so my matrix, so I get my matrix. So my X matrix will be equal to, my A term is 2 and B term is 0. Okay, if you see properly, it is of order 2 by 1. So in this way I get the answer of matrix which is my unknown matrix, right? So that's very simple. You all just have to remember the steps what I said. If you all want, you can watch the video again so remember and recall the things. Bye.